Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Mead from Bellin Health, and I just want to talk to you about cloth masks. We're using cloth masks mainly out in public now. That's a recommendation, and the reason we'd recommend that is to prevent you from spreading, if you're asymptomatic or have mild symptoms, from spreading that to somebody else. So the mask is really, when you wear a mask, it's really to show compassion for other people in the area. So if I'm going to go out to the grocery store and I want to get my mask out, so what I'm going to do is first wash my hands real well, and then I'm going to get my paper bag where I store my mask in and grab the mask by its ties only. And I do not want to touch the regular front or back side of the mask itself. I handle it just by the ties. And when I first put it on, I'll use the bridge of my nose as sort of a guide, and I kind of do that, and then you'll tie the top two ties first, and not the bottom ties. So the top ties go first, and then you can pull the lower ties and use them to sort of adjust things, and then go back and tie behind your neck. All right, now if you want to adjust the mask, you can do it briefly by just touching it by the nose, pulling the mask down on the side here, and then I would go ahead and wash my hands or sanitize my hands with a hand sanitizer. Then while I have the mask on and I go to the store, I should not touch the rest of the front of the mask. If I do happen to touch the regular mask, the front of the mask, I'd want to wash my hands or sanitize my hands. When I get back from the store and take the mask off, I just go in reverse order. So we'll go ahead and untie the lower ties first. Again, not touching the mask, just the ties only. And then the upper ties I'll take off. Grab the mask like this, and then fold it in half. Again, you trying to hold it just with the ties to fold it in half. And then I would put it inside my paper bag to be used later in the day or the next day. And if I do that, I'd want to wash the mask once a day. Now, after I'm done putting the mask away, I'll go ahead and wash my hands again or sanitize my hands.